Hi, good afternoon. This is Michael Forkas, and this is your Forkas find of the day. Today, I'm looking at a couple of investor properties. This home is in Concord, California. So a couple of things that I look for, and I'm just gonna flip this around. House is beat up. The floors are beat up. There's a bit of cupping in the floor that you can see. So I'm looking at that from a perspective, obviously needs new carpet, needs new paint, needs a new bathroom, all not big deals. But for you people to understand foundation issues in sloping in a bedroom, this is the first thing that I look at. I look at the door jamb. You see how out of whack it is? You see the crack in the ceiling? This floor is cupping. We have foundation issues. We know that. But this is the first example of how to look to see if you have some potential issues and how that frame has racked. Always look at that. If your realtor isn't showing you these things for investors or first-time buyers, give me a call. This is Michael Forkas. This is your Forkas find of the day. If you like this, you know what to do. Take care.